we have all our cars here. Even we have the garage open. I can also show our things in the garage.
Okay. And how old are you now?
6.
I know. Really? You're getting really old now, huh?
Yep.
I know. Daddy's not so good about uploading videos, right?
I know.
So what do you want to show them?
The cars.
Okay. And then your...
Tree house.
Oh, you want to show them the treehouse. Okay, let me turn the camera around.
This is our Tesla.
Yeah.
And now, this is Mommy's car.
Yeah.
And this is the fast car.
Okay.
And last one.
Okay. I'm following you. You're doing the video. What is this? The newest edition, right?
Yep, this is the new car Mommy wants.
Okay, is that Mommy's SUV?
Yep.
And why did she get that one?
Because she...
For the snow? No? Because more space?
No.
Why? Because?
Because she just wanted to get a new car because her car is the same like them.
Okay, same as this, just bigger, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So Lucas gave an update, right?
Yep.
And now what do you want to show them now?
The things in the garage.
Oh, the garage? I thought we were doing the treehouse.
The garage is next.
Oh, garage is next.
Oh,
They have seen this one before on one of the videos. Remember that one video you did?
Yeah.
Is this what you want to show them?
Yes, this is the best car.
You love it?
Yep. And also it has these 3 numbers on here. It's level 1 and level 2 and level 3 is
What's the
level
fast one?
number 3 and also number 2.
Yeah. And which one do I always tell you you cannot do?
The top one.
Yeah, number 3, it's too fast.
I know. But I can only do that if I see a thief. I can go,
Yeah, if you see a thief, then you can put it in that gear.
yeah, and I can go catch it.
Yeah, it's true. Now, what do we need to put in your treehouse? What did you get here?
So I got this carpet my daddy got.
Is that Minecraft?
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's take it up there and show them inside your treehouse, since you're the one that decorated everything.
I know.
That's a big carpet, huh?
Oh, that's a
All right. Is that your treehouse?
Yeah, but Daddy, I just saw the neighbor's cat.
Yeah, the neighbor's cat may be here. Yeah, there it is.
There it is.
Kiki went running.
Did you show them?
Yeah, I tried to, but Kiki was really fast.
That's the cat.
I don't think the cat is making that noise. But you hear that?
Yeah.
Could be a birdie.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, Daddy decided to upload a video today since he is so bad about... oh man, the sun. He's so bad about continuously uploading, so my goal is to do some updates, you know. Lukas already showed the car fleet, so we have to do some more in detailed videos on these cars.
This is my trampoline.
Okay.
Can I show them jumping in there?
Yeah, you can show him jumping in there. Wow.
Guys, so don't forget I also have to shut this.
Okay, you gotta shut this for safety, right?
Okay, I fall out.
Okay.
Complete sun.
And now the safety is on, and why is there a Capri Sun? No, don't drink it, it's been laying there since yesterday. Don't do that. There could be a creature inside. Yeah, just put it there, I will throw it away later. So you love your trampoline?
Yeah. Okay, I'm starting to stay in here. Then now I'm starting to stay in here.
Okay, you're starting the day in here? Okay, you're gonna show him how you get up there. First, shoes. What are those? Are those Minecraft shoes?
Yeah.
Do you love Minecraft?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. And then I will hand you your Minecraft
I'm
rug.
sure there's a bug up here.
There's no bug, it's okay. No buggy. And then Daddy has to somehow make it up there.
I know.
Good job.
Daddy, hand that thing to me.
Alright, oh whoa. Do you see that?
Oh, I saw that. I
Alright.
only saw the shadow.
Let me hand you this now. Try to get that up there somehow.
Don't forget that.
What? Oh yeah. Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And then I'm gonna get your dart up here. Magnets. So it's safe for kids. Alright, who's the owner of this house?
Me. No, don't show them in here yet.
Not yet?
No,
Oh, why not?
because I need to fix some stuff.
Okay, he needs to organize some stuff first. And then after he's organized everything, then I'm allowed to show you guys in there. But what I was saying a second ago is, so I've been terrible about uploading. I mean, the last video I uploaded is when I said he just turned 4. He's 6 now. As you guys have seen, we have the EQE, EQS, the Model 3 and the C43. So ideally, I will try to shoot some content. Lukas wants to be in some of it as well. So we will try to do that this year. There's a couple of sound videos as well. You know, you guys know that I like testing the car audio. So I will upload a few of them on the new editions and then get into some more details, because there's a reason why I have added such a bigger EV fleet to our collection, which is kind of ironic because, you know, I like big engines and now I have a bunch of EVs.
I need more. Dude,
I have, I thought I gave you 2 of them.
Well, you gave me 2 of the yellow ones.
Oh, we need to go find them. You just tell me when you're ready for me to show them inside here. I think you're still organizing a little bit.
Margaret, be careful.
I will. I gotta wait on him. I'm not allowed to go in there. I'm gonna get in trouble if I go in there right now, because he said he's the homeowner. So I have to wait till it's all nice and clean. See, he's closing the door on me. Cracks me up. Oh, anyhow, the EQE has been an incredible addition. We have just recently added it. And then of course the EQS has been, it's a game changer, this car, really. As far as range goes, you know, comfort of the car. And then the C43 is at a point where I have all the modifications I wanted to do done. So I will try to do a couple videos on that as well. There's a stage 2 on it, we got downpipes on it. It will be good content on it. And then of course Lukas wants to show you around the property here, I can see. So am I allowed to come in there now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Whoa. Luke, show them around. What all do you have in here?
So I have Legos, and you can flip this around, and then it has a real table you can eat on.
You can eat on the table.
Yep.
And what's this?
Dot.
And you got them all here?
A dot board.
Yes. Cool.
And then I can show you how it works. So you have to try to get in the middle.
Okay. Good job.
Oh, I got on the way.
You got it on the red. That means a lot of points. Oh, that one was close.
Yeah.
Are you closing the door?
Yeah. Because I do not like that sometimes.
Okay.
And here.
And then what's this cool thing here?
This thing I put all of my toys I put in.
Oh. What does this friend do?
Oh, I can show you how it does. So you have to press this white button here, and then to do this.
That's scary. but I like it. And then what do you have here? This is a couch.
Yeah.
This is a cool couch.
Yeah. Can I go get the carpet and put that in?
Yeah, let's put the carpet in. I will show him your guns, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so what we got here. That's pretty cool. This looks pretty cool, Luke. Wow. Is this a... Oh, it shoots water. It's a water gun. Okay. And now we can put this in here. That's gonna look so cool here.
Yep. Now I have a carpet.
That's
Now I
amazing.
can take my shoes
Yeah, now you can take your shoes off. This is cool. I gotta take mine off too now. Make sure that it's nice and clean.
Now I can walk.
I love it, look.
I can get on my couch.
Do you want to tell them anything else? Where are you going to later?
We're going to the splash pad.
Okay, so you want to tell them bye and thanks for watching?
Bye and thanks for watching.